Prime Minister Narendra Modi releases 8 cheetahs brought from Namibia at Puno National Park. Prime Minister to launch National Logistics Policy today. Wishes pour in for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 72nd birthday. And BJP MLA AL Hek to take up Lady King College property tax issue with Defence Minister. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today released wild cheetahs which had become extinct from India in Puno National Park. Cheetahs which have been brought from Namibia are being introduced in India under Project Cheetah, which is world's first intercontinental large wild carnivore translocation project. Out of the 8 cheetahs, there are 5 female and 3 male. Modi released cheetahs at 2 release points in Puno National Park. The cheetahs will help restore open forest and grassland ecosystems in India. Prime Minister said that the India of the 21st century is giving a message to the whole world that economy and ecology are not conflicting fields. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will launch the National Logistics Policy (NLP) in New Delhi today. The need for a national logistics policy was felt since the logistics cost in India is high as compared to other developed economies. National logistics policy is a comprehensive effort to address issues of high cost and inefficiency by laying down an overarching interdisciplinary, cross-sectoral and multi-jurisdictional framework for the development of the entire logistics ecosystem is yet another step in this direction. The policy is an endeavor to improve the competitiveness of Indian goods, enhancing economic growth and increasing employment opportunities. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is celebrating his 72nd birthday today. On the celebratory occasion, wishes have been pouring in from several dignitaries and politicians from across the globe. There are several events lined up today to celebrate the Prime Minister's birthday. The Meghalaya State BJP unit along with the rest of the nation organized various programs in Shillong today. An exhibition was inaugurated at State Central Library by the President of State BJP unit, Ernest Mauri, in the presence of other party Karyakartas along with BJP MLA AL Hek.
29, 30, 31, 32.
So today it is a special day for us. We are wishing to our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, a very, very happy birthday. And we are wishing on behalf of our party from Meghalaya and on behalf of people of our state from Meghalaya. We are very happy to mark and celebrate this birthday of our tall leader and Honorable Prime Minister of India.
Talking to DD News Meghalaya, Hek said that he will meet the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and if he is not available, he will meet the Union Minister of State for Defence or the Secretary of Defence to apprise about the issue of Lady King College issue, where the Shillong Cantonment Board has served a notice to the college to pay property tax. Along with the management of the college and the principal of the college, AL Hek will urge the Union Minister to be sympathetic towards the college, which has served the state in regards to women education.
Delhi to meet Rajnath Singh ji, the Defence Minister. If he is not there in station, then I will meet the MOS, Minister of State for Defence, or the Secretary of Defence regarding the problem facing by the Lady King College. With the management of the college, the principal, the director of the college, to go and plead and request the Honourable Union Minister at least to have some sympathy or some consideration.
The Jaintia Students' Union organized an awareness program on drugs abuse at St. Anthony's College Extension, Bindihati East, Jaintia Hills District to mark the 50 years of Jaintia Students' Union. The function was attended by Extra Assistant Commissioner East Jaintia Hills District F1. The program was chaired by the General Secretary JSU Trebor R. Sushen in the presence of Father George Linkoy, Principal, St. Anthony's College Extension, Rinibet Patlong from Minturu Community Social Welfare Association gave an insight through a presentation into the problems associated with drugs in a society and how to make a society drug-free society. The awareness program was attended by school students from St. Anthony's College Extension, Bindihati and Cleriat Higher Secondary School, amongst others. A series of events on POCSO Act, early child marriage and adoption was conducted throughout the month in West Giant Hills came to an end yesterday. The programs included street plays and awareness campaigns. The programs were conducted in different schools on the topics of POCSO Act, child rights and child abuse. The event was organized by the Office of the District Child Protection Unit, West Giant Hills District, Jawai. The e-auction of gifts presented to Prime Minister Narendra Modi will begin today. The auction will go on till 2nd of October. 1,222 mementos will be e-auctioned during this period. The mementos include idols of Ganesh, Swami Vivekananda, Ram Mandir Temple, Netaji statue, painting and sports equipment among others gifted to the Prime Minister. Culture Minister G. Kishan Reddy said auction benefits will be used for the noble cause of conserving River Ganga through Namami Gange. The lowest base price of the gifts is 100 rupees and the highest base price is 5 lakh rupees. Another weather report. The maximum temperature was 23.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 16 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 76% while in the evening was 82%. Forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi releases 8 cheetahs brought from Namibia at Puno National Park. Prime Minister to launch National Logistics Policy today. Wishes pour in for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 72nd birthday. And BJP MLA elect to take up Lady Keane College property tax issue with Defence Minister. With that, we have come to the end of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel, have a good night.